everyone, this is Jen. Today I'm bringing you back to Tropicana Gardens. I will show you a very good deal 2-bedroom unit in Bayberry. Before I show you the unit, in conjunction with the World Book Day, the Big Bag Wolf, known as the world's largest book sales, is happening now in Tropicana Gardens. This convention hall has about 50,000 square feet and at level 3A. So this Big Bag Wolf book sales, they have over 60,000 titles and up to 99% sales. So for the book lover, don't miss out this chance. Okay, I already finished for my shopping. Let's go for lunch. Nyonya Cendol is always my favorite because they serve a lot of nice Nyonya food such as 3-layer nasi lemak, rojak, asam laksa, and their very famous cendol that you must try. And tell you a secret, if you show the access card, you can have the VIP discount. So now I'm standing here at the resident lift lobby. So the shopping mall entrance is direct link to this lobby and you can straight away go to your unit. For this layout, every floor only comes with 2 units. Let me show you the house. So this unit is around 983 square feet, come with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1 kitchen, 1 living hall, and 1 parking. The asking price is around 950,000. So this unit is very suitable for the small family member around 2 to 4 and young couple. Once you enter the unit, on your left hand side is the open concept kitchen. The developer already provides the hood and hob, built-in oven, and with the island. So the island here, you can prepare your food, can enjoy your breakfast or coffee. And the kitchen here is connected with the dining and the living hall. And this door leads you to the laundry area where you can put your washer and dryer. Before we move on to the living hall, here there is a space you can do more cabinet if you think the storage space there is not enough. One of the special features for this layout is they have this white glass window where you can enjoy abundant natural light. And here is the dining area. You can fit a 4-seater dining set. And here you can put the sofa and the TV for your living hall. So the bedroom is separated to 2 sides. So on my left hand side is the master room. Let me show you. So the master bedroom is very spacious. You can fit a king size bed here, and they also provide the white glass window. And here you can put the dressing table, and that side you can put the wardrobe. In front of the wardrobe, there is an attached bathroom. So there is another room. Here you can fit a queen size bed, or you can transform to a study room because nowadays there is a lot of people work from home where it's a new normal. So this bedroom also attached with an bathroom. Level 5 is the facility floor, come with gym, swimming pool, BBQ area, study area, playground, and basketball court. For an investor, you will definitely know this is a very good spot for you to invest because of the surrounding amenities such as St. Joseph International School, Segi College, 3KDU, Sunway Medical Center, and Thomson Medical Center. You can expect a very high demand from tenants from MM2H, retiree, Korean, and Japanese. Because of this service resident is connected with the MRT Surian station, so it's very convenient for the tenant to go to work or go to shopping. So if you're looking for on-stay, this is a very good location for you because of the surrounding amenities. So this might be a perfect home for you. This is the end of the tour. I'm happy to show you around. Once again, this is Jen. If you want to know more about this unit, please click the link below and I will see you in my next video.